What up? Back at it. All right, so the timing cover is on. I noticed timing cover has a big cut in it from the harmonic balancer. Normally they're cut over here from this bracket that hangs down for the AC. This tensioner, this pulley always goes bad and digs into the cover. So yeah, you can actually see the whole thing's bowed out. Thought about taking a heat gun to it and pushing it back in, but it's already cut in, so might as well replace it. This is the shot with it on. You can see it's like a millimeter away, and it should be a couple. So we'll pop this back off. Got a new one used. I'll clean it up, slap it on. Remember, most of these gaskets have either been cleaned with brake clean or had oil dripping on them for a while. So they normally expand. They normally need to be trimmed. I'll show you here in a minute. Okay, got the timing cover cleaned up. We got the dust seals on. They always swell up right here. So as you can see, the seal's swollen. Lines up good. Needs to be trimmed here. And then it always swells kind of right here. So this isn't even close here. This is way off either direction. If you put this side on, it's way off here, so it needs to be trimmed here and here. Trim that. I got a call. Okay. So we got our new cover. We trim the seals right here. You can put a little drop of silicone underneath if you want. You don't need to. This actually replaced the seal. For some reason, the seal that was in it has a flat type. So mount this on. Make sure it requires this seal and not this seal. And go from there. So here's where we split it here. See if she bolts up. Make sure you put the inner timing cover on before the timing belt. Okay. Got a little titty here that looks like the other one doesn't have. So we'll have to trim this little nipple off. Try it again. Buzz that down with the zip wheel. Shop's a mess. Here's the crossover tube that I was talking about. Got it cleaned up. These bolts are always super rusty looking. You want to clean them up with a little wire wheel. The anti-seize on them and we'll put them back in. Clips in here the same. And then we'll check that weird gasket area. Okay. Here was that gasket. This of course the one that I put on. Not that other goofy one. Came off of this timing cover. Okay, everything looks good. bolt that on, put in a plug over there, bolt this on, put in the crossover O-rings up here, bolt on the crossover tube, and then the motor gets to go in the car. Okay, got the cover on, got that torque down, got the pulley on, got that torque down. Put the holder in, hold it with one hand, torque it with the other hand, put bars on it if you want. Put a 1-inch spacer on it if you want to clear your tool. I don't like to use any spacers or extensions when I'm torquing because it changes the torque spec. And so we got this torqued. The cover has way more room. We ran it around a couple times here. Sure nothing was dragging on that cover. Put the motor in. We'll want to tighten up the torque converter. See if we'll line up a bolt now if you want. Next. Ooh, get to do rear main too, man. I am 2 days behind. Okay, these are from Subaru. They look like they're too big. You have to jam them in there. Do not silicone them. Do not silicone your valve cover gaskets. Do not silicone your tube seals. These are nice felpro valve cover gaskets. I buy felpro stuff because felpro comes with tube seals and grommets. Or Subaru, it's all individual. Okay, that's the seal pressed in. Like I said, you want to clean the corrosion off of these, corrosion off the bolts. Like I said, the seal looks too big. I don't know why people pull the whole motors and do head gaskets and don't replace little things like this. This is the knock sensor. This is the coolant hose that goes up to your throttle body. This is the coolant hose that goes to your heater, down to your water pump. You got this on. We got this cleaned up. We even got this cleaned up. This is where the upper hose goes on. Take a scissor wheel to it, clean it up. Remember, you are working with an aluminum block. So torque specs, do not use an impact. Unless you want to ruin your motor. This is me one-handed dabbing. It doesn't need much, just a thin coat. Super thin coat. Gloves. This is a 3/8 mini ratchet. This is my favorite tool by far. Yes, I have a snap-on impact that I use for 99% of things. This is not one of them. I do not impact this bolt on. Any kind of stretch bolt, stretch the yield, stretch anything. I don't use impacts on. Okay, you want to kind of work your way around. Okay, on the crossover tube, this is where you have your coolant sensor and another coolant hose that goes with the throttle body. The good thing with this little mini 3/8 is it's small, so you cannot get a lot of torque. If you tighten these with a normal sized big ratchet, it would strip the shit out of them. Okay, got those on, got them cleaned up. You can double check around to make sure no O-rings popped out. Never had one pop out yet, but doesn't hurt to check. Okay, looking good.